Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. This is FlyWing FW450 V3 RC helicopter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fly Auto 3D side tictocs automatically. Alright, for the side tictoc, once again you have to hold the rudder down and left, unlock the flight controller, unlock the motor, wait for it to spool up and take off in GPS mode. Okay, you can start doing these at 5 meters altitude even, but I would suggest you do it slightly higher and farther at a safer distance. So now you do these by, flipping the normal and inverted switch, and it's a little tricky because you don't know when the helicopter will flip to the right side way, and if it does, then you immediately flip it back before the helicopter goes completely inverted. So it's just like this. Let's try it. Inverted. So here we are. Let me see. Try again. That is awesome. You can impress your friends, baby. So this is how you do side tictocs. Back to landing and disable the motor.